Okay. So see, we have to write the expansion of this px square times, we can write here, we have to write the expansion of, wait, question number 9, in the expansion of px square times 5 plus px raised to power x, 8. 5 plus px raised to power 8. The question is saying that in the expansion of this, the coefficient of the term x raised to power 6. In the expansion of this, we have given the coefficient of x raised to power 6 is what?
I think
It is
first we
given
can do TR plus 1.
3402. Yeah, 3402. And then we have to find the value of p. This is the summary of your question. Any doubt? So what we can do, see, what will happen? If you have the expansion of this, right? If you have the expansion of this binomial term, then then you have to multiply each and every term of this expansion by this px square, isn't it? We can understand by taking a simple example. Suppose I have to expand something like 3x square and then 2 plus x raised to power cube. So what we can do, how we can expand this? So 3x square, and now you can expand this a plus b whole cube. We know this expansion right now. So a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b. So 3a square b plus 3ab square, like this. And then you will multiply each and every term by this, isn't it? This will be our general way, isn't it? Are you getting this? So similarly, what we should do this time, we will write its general term. We will not expand this completely. It will have 9 terms in total. What we can do, we can expand this, we can write the general term for this binomial expansion. We will write TR plus 1. Am I right? Are you getting this? So I'm writing the general term for this binomial expression. So it should be 8CR. Am I right? Why? Because you have to write one less here. We have already discussed. 8CR, first term is 5, so it should be 5 raised to power 8 minus R. And the second term is PX raised to power R. Isn't it? Am I right? This is the general term of this binomial
So this
expression.
you're doing first you do the normal one.
Yeah, the binomial expression. Now I'm writing general term for this complete question, this complete, expression. So I'm writing general term for this tr plus 1 dash, I can say, for just for writing purpose. I'm writing the general term for this complete expression. What I should do, I have to multiply this px square again with this general term 8cr 5 raised to power 8 minus r and this px raised to power r. Isn't it? Are you getting this? Right? Correct? So what we should do, we should get px square 8cr. Oh, I'm just writing again. 8 minus r, and this is p raised to power r times x raised to power r. Are you getting this? What I've done? I have, separated this px. So
Then
now
for
simplify.
5 to the power of 8 minus R, there's no
Yeah.
px squared for that?
Sorry, please repeat.
No, it's fine. It's fine.
Okay. So see, now simplify. So now this time you have p raised to power 1 here also, p raised to power r here also. So what should be the net power? So it will be p raised to power 1 plus r, isn't it? Power gets added. Similarly, x raised to power 2 here also, x raised to power r here also. So it will be x raised to power 2 plus r. Rest all you can write directly 8cr, and it should be 5 raised to power 8 minus r, isn't it? And now we are looking for that term whose x power is 6, isn't it? So according to question, we are looking for that term whose x power is 6. So we can equate this 2 plus r. See, we can equate this 2 plus r is equals to 6. So from here you will get r is equals to 4, right? So it means If you substitute this R4 in this expression, you will have the x power as 6, which we are looking for. Now, the coefficient. So, when you substitute this R value 4, this x term becomes x raised to power 6. We are not interested in x term. We are interested in coefficient of x raised to power 6. So what will be the coefficient? This term, and this term, isn't it? These will be your coefficients of x raised to power 6. So when I write coefficient of x raised to power 6, so what we are getting? We are getting p raised to power 1 plus r, 8CR, and this 5 raised to power 8 minus R. And fortunately, we have the value of R known now. So we can substitute the value of R. So it should be P raised to power 1 plus 4, 8C4, 5 raised to power 8 minus 4. And according to question, this is given. According to question, we have given the coefficient of x raised to power 6 is 3402. Right, so we should equate this to 3402, 3402. Now, please see, we have an equation and only one unknown is present in this equation, and that is p. So we have one equation and one unknown. So that's the very simple case. So we will write p raised to power 5 should be equals to 3402 upon 8c4 times 5 raised to power 3. Isn't it? Are you getting this? So it should be p raised to power 5 will be equals to. Now it will be 3402 upon. What should be the 8c4? Use your calculator. It's calculator based? Yes, this is a calculator based question. So you can use your 8C4. The whole calculation you can do even. So 8, wait.
Wouldn't it be
Um,
5 to the power of 4? Because it's 8 minus 4.
Sorry, why I've written 3 here? Correct. So it should be 4. Thank you. It should be 8, yeah, 5 raised to power 4. Okay. So 8C4. Let me find 8.
So, 43750.
Doing all the calculation? Yeah, I got it. 8C4. 8C4 is 70 basically.
Yeah, 70 times
Yeah. And then
uh,
5 raised to power 4. We can do this complete.
625.
Yeah. So it will be 3402 divided by 70. This it's in decimal. Decimal. Okay. Divided by 5 raised to power 4. 5 raised to power 4. So we are getting this much. We are getting 0.07776, and this is p raised to power 5. This is calculator based. So p will be equals to fifth root of, wait, we should write in this manner. It should be the fifth root of, either you can write in this manner, 0.07776, or you can write as a power 1 by 5. So I should write 0 0.2. So we are getting exactly 0.6. So this should be our answer. Any doubt in this solution?
Can I just look at it again?
Yeah, yeah, please.
Wait, why did you put 2 plus r equals to 6?
Yeah, see, we have this general term for my question, right? And we are looking for that term whose x raised to power 6. See, right? So we have to equate our general term power, that is 2 plus r, should be equals to 6, isn't it? We are looking for that term
Oh,
in which x power should be 6. So that's why we have equated this 2 plus r to 6. Yeah, very good. Any other question?
No.
Okay. Let us do the next question. Try this. If fx is equals to this, in the expansion of its derivative, you don't have the concept of derivative right now, isn't it? This is,
Differentiation
yeah, differentiation. You know this?
in normal maths. Yeah.
Yeah, okay, okay. Very good. So you can try this one also. So we have the fx, but question is saying in the expansion of the derivative, not in the expansion of fx. Please see carefully. So in the expansion of derivative, that is differentiation of fx, the coefficient of the term in x raised to power 5 is this. Find the possible values of it. Would you like to try?
Do you have to derive f of x first?
Not derive, differentiate it first. Obviously, this is talking about the expansion of f dash x, not the expansion of fx, isn't it? This is the expansion of f dash x. So first of all, can you tell me what should be its f dash x, if you have idea?
Uh, 2x.
2x,
Oh no, 1
2x.
second. Can I first make everything in one bracket, like to the power of
What
5?
see
Can I?
whatever you want, you can do first of all. Do any method by any method. First of all, write it, do it correctly, right? Then we will see what you have done, how you have done.
I don't know if this is correct.
Okay, no problem. Tell me.
10x to the power of 9 plus
10x raised
5
to power 9 plus 5
plus a to
and
the power of 4.
raised to power 4, like this.
No, no, no. A4.
Okay, okay. A raised to power 4, like this.
No, like 10x 9 plus 5 A4.
Wait, wait. 10x plus,
10x to the power of 9
okay,
plus 5 to the power of 4.
plus 5, 8, like this. You want to say this?
Yeah,
No, this is absolutely wrong. Absolutely wrong. Would you like to retry also?
yeah.
Retry.
Is the first term 2x?
Okay, let me explain. F dash x. First of all, we will differentiate this power, you know. So, you
Yeah,
know the differentiation of dy dx of x raised to power n, right? Sometime we will
yeah.
discuss this differentiation also in detail. Right now, just for recalling. So, x raised to power n is n into x raised to power n minus 1, correct? So, on the same principle, we will differentiate it like 5 into whatever your base is, just copy that. So this raised to power 5 minus 1. We have differentiated your power. Now, as per the chain rule, we have to differentiate our base also. So x squared differentiation will be 2x and the a, that is the constant differentiation, will be 0. So overall, we will have 10x, if you want to write 10x times x squared plus a raised to power 4. So this is your f dash x. I think you will have so many problem in this, isn't it?
Um,
No problem. Just skip this differentiation part right now.
what I did is I brought the power of 5 inside the bracket.
We will discuss this. This is a separate concept. In detail, we have to discuss. But right now, skip this differentiation problem. Focus on the binomial problem first. Suppose you have this f dash x right now, I'm giving you. Can you solve the next level? That is the coefficient of x raised to power 5 in this expansion is going to be this. What should be the possible values of it?
So
These are
two
the
values.
not necessarily two, you may have three, four, anything. So this is, as per your questions, as per your examination point of view, these are the questions. As per your question, examination.
Okay, so TR plus 1.
Yeah. So we will do the same thing.
First, I would
First,
do x squared
yeah.
a.
See, my question is f dash x is right now my f dash x is 10x times x squared plus a raised to power 4. So first of all, we will write the general term for this one, isn't it? So you can write it's tr plus 1. What should be tr plus 1? Please tell me. You have to lead the solution. Yeah, tell me. What should be tr plus 1?
Uh, Wait, can we go
4,
to the question?
4. See, you have this address X. Why you need to see the previous statement? You have to write the general term for this. So first of all, we are writing for this binomial expansion
4CR
4CR, correct? Then first term is x square. So you
x
write
squared,
x
yeah.
square raised to power 4 minus r, the difference of these two.
R.
What is the second term? A. Then a raised to
AR.
power r, correct? Right. Now the general term. The general term, or you can write this as a t dash, right? So general term I'm writing for this complete series as tr plus 1, isn't it? What we should do? We have to multiply 10x by each and every term of this. So I will multiply this general term also. So we can simplify this x power here. So it should be 8 minus 2r times a raised to power r, isn't it?
Yeah.
What we should
So
do
you
now?
multiply.
Please lead. Yeah, so we will simplify this a little bit. So it will be 4CR x raised to power. You have to simplify the net power on x. So this is the one here also. So you will get, it will get added. So it will be 9 minus 2r, a raised to power r, and then 10 once more. This 10. Or you can write this 10
Yeah.
in the beginning also, as per normal tradition. We can write this 10 in the beginning also, like this 10 times 4CR. So we are
And
looking
9
for
minus
the term whose x power is 5. Please see here. We are looking for
9
that
minus
term.
2R
Yeah,
equals to 5.
yeah. So according, according to, according to question, my requirement, 9 minus 2r should be equals to 5. So solve for
R
this.
equals
9 minus 5, that is the 4 is equals to 2r. So r is equals to 2, isn't it?
yeah.
If r is equals to 2, we have to find the coefficient. We have to equate the coefficient to 960. So as per coefficient requirement, we have to wait. We have these terms as my coefficient, this term and this term. So we have to equate this to 960. So we are writing 10 times 4CR times A raised to power R is equals to 960. So this 10 can we cancel out here? So we know the value of R as well. So it should be 4C2 A
2.
raised to power 2 is equals to 96. So A square is equals to 96 upon 4C2. Please solve this 96 upon 4C2. What is the 4C2?
16. No, like A squared equals to 16.
Okay, correct. So 96 upon 6, that is the 16. So what should be A? Tell
So
me.
4 and minus 4.
Correct. Absolutely correct. You have to see the other statements also. Is there anything other condition that A should be positive, negative like this? So there is no any condition. So we have to give both the answers. So it should be plus minus 4, isn't it? Have you understood it? So this is the very important, these are the very important questions we are discussing right now, right? Question number 11. Consider the expansion of this where P should be greater than 0. I was talking about these, hidden conditions. Sometimes if you miss
Condition.
this, you will lose your mark, right? The coefficient of the term x raised to power 4 is equal to the coefficient of the term in x raised to power 6. Find the value of P. Would you like to solve this? Would you like to attempt this?
Yeah, I'll try.
Please try.
Now, if there is P over X and it's a fraction, so
Mhm.
can you still do it with a fraction?
Yeah. This is the identity we have discussed in the beginning. If you have remembered, we have discussed what's the difference between identity and formula. Have you remembered what was the difference between the identity was applicable for all. We have discussed this or not?
Oh yeah.
So yeah, we can apply for P over X also. Okay, let us discuss. No problem.
I got
Okay.
the general term.
Okay, okay. Wait, just wait. There is a limited space here. So let us discuss. Okay. Okay. So consider the expansion of this 3x plus p over x raised to power 8. And we have given that p is greater than 0. And what's the statement? They are saying that the coefficient of the term in x raised to power 4. So as per question, we have given that the coefficient of x raised to power 4 is equals to the coefficient of x raised to power 6. Right? So how we can write the coefficient of x raised to power 4 and coefficient of x raised to power 6? No problem. Write the general term first. So it's tr plus 1. Can you tell me it's tr plus 1? Is
HCR
correct? 8cr. The first term is 3x raised to power
3
8 minus
8
r.
minus
And the second term is p over
P
x raised to
over
power r. Now
R.
simplify it. Find the net power on x separately. So 8cr, it should be 3 raised to power 8 minus r, then p raised to power r, and then x raised to power c, 8 minus r, and this is x raised to power minus r, isn't it? So I will subtract this minus r also. Are you getting this? What I have done here?
No.
No.
Wow. How?
Okay, okay, okay. See. So if you write this one, what I can write? Suppose I want to
It
write
would be
this.
1 over X then.
Yeah, yeah, correct, correct. We'll write p raised to power r times 1
Oh, I
by
got it. I
x
got
raised
it.
to power r, isn't it? Which can be
No,
written
I got
as
it.
p raised to power r. times x raised to power minus r as well, isn't it?
Yeah.
So in the multiplication, we have added the power, so correct. So we are getting 8cr 3 raised to power 8 minus r, p raised to power r, and this is x raised to power 8 minus 2r, isn't it? Now, very
Yeah.
simple. We have to find the coefficient of x raised to power 4, right? So for your simplicity, I'm writing separately. So suppose you are finding the coefficient of x raised to power 4. Coefficient of x raised to power 4. So what we have to do? To find the coefficient of x raised to power 4, equate the x power that the 8 minus 2r should be equals to 4. So 4 should be equals to 2r. So r should be equals to 2. So your
Yeah.
coefficient of x raised to power 4 will be 8c2, 3 raised to power 6, and p raised to power 2. See, very simple. Now, similarly, if you want to find for the coefficient of x raised to power 6, so 8 minus 2r should be equals to 6. So 8 minus 6, 2 is equals to 2r. So r is equals to 1, and your coefficient should be equals to 8c1, 3 raised to power 7, and p raised to power 1. Are you getting this?
Yeah.
So now, as per the question statement, question instruction, we have to equate these two things. So we have the coefficient of x raised to power r as 8c2, 3 raised to power 6, p squared should be equals to 8c1, 3 raised to power 7, and this p, isn't it? So now we have one equation and one unknown. This is the situation of one equation and one unknown. That is a very simple case. Can you solve this now? How we can solve it? Let's do.
Yeah. Okay. So, uh, first I simplified this. So
Mhm,
8c2
mhm,
is 28,
mhm,
and then 3 to the power of 6 is 729.
mhm,
times p squared,
Mm-hmm.
and then 8c1 is 8, and then
Mm-hmm.
3 to the power of 7 is 2187
Mm-hmm.
times p.
Okay.
And then I
Then,
put the p's in. Oh,
sorry.
the p is on one side.
Okay. What I should write?
Uh, Divide p squared to the other, move p squared to the other side. So divide it.
This one to the other hand side, this side. You want to say this?
No, bring the p to the other side.
Okay. You are saying p square. That's what I got confused. Okay. So you want to move this p to the left hand side, isn't it?
Yeah.
Okay. Where, what I should write? Tell me.
Uh, and then move 28 times 729 divided to the other side.
Okay. Tell me what I should write. Tell me exactly.
Oh, so p squared over p
Mm-hmm.
equals to 8 times 2187 over 28 times 7.
Okay. Then what you are getting?
1 second. I got 6 over 7.
6 over 7. Right. This is the only one value, right? You are getting.
Yeah.
Are you confident on your solution?
No, I don't know. It's a decimal value.
No, no, not, see, not about the decimal I am asking. Okay, I am giving you one more value of p and click check. Is it satisfying or not? In this equation, if I substitute p as 0, see, if you substitute this p as 0, will it satisfy this? Will that satisfy this equation? P is equals to 0. Is satisfying or not?
P equals to 0. No.
Why no? 0 into something. 0 into something. 0. 0
0.
into something. 0. So 0 equals to 0. What's the problem you have?
Oh. Oh, yeah.
But it is not coming in your solution. This is not yeah, yeah. This is very serious thing. See, 0 is satisfied. I'm giving you this reverse thinking. 0, if you put 0 here, so 0 square is 0, something into 0 is 0, correct? Something into 0
Yeah.
is 0. So 0 should be in your answer, right or wrong?
Yeah.
But this is not coming in your calculation. So this is not okay now. See, fortunately
Oh.
or unfortunately, your answer is 100% correct. You know why? Because your question is saying that you have to work for only greater than 0. That's the matter of luck only. Are you getting my point? Your question is
Yeah.
saying for p greater than 0, but conceptually you are doing wrong. We will get this one also, but you are solving this equation conceptually incorrect. Are you getting my point? See, fortunately, your answer is correct as per the question statement. But conceptually, your statement, your solution is wrong. Are you getting my point? What I'm trying to
Then how do
explain?
you get the correct answer?
Yeah, I will solve that one also. This,
Oh,
and you know that one also. I was assuming that you will think over that. We have discussed or not that never cancel the variable. We have discussed never cancel the variable. So what you are doing? You are canceling the variable. You can do this simple calculation this side also like this. One gets cancelled. You are doing one cancellation here also, isn't it? So we know this already. You know this, right? Avoid the cancellation of roots. We have discussed this statement. And the second thing that you have done, it means not unnecessarily. You don't need to expand these powers. Suppose this is a non-calculated question, then you will you will waste your time in finding these so much higher powers. Suppose this is a non-calculator question. I will solve this without using calculator. So see what we should do. First of all, I will take this complete term to the left hand side. I can write in this manner 8c2 3 raised to power 6 p square minus 8c1 3 raised to power 7 times p should be equals to 0. Right or wrong?
Yeah.
You know this. Now I will take p as a common. I will take p as a common. See, p is a common. See, p square is here, p is here. As well as I can take 3 raised to power 6 as a common also. Because see, 3 raised to power 6 and 3 raised to power 7. So common will be 3 raised to. So what we will have? 8c2 and this is p minus 8c1 3 should be equals to 0. Am I right? Please see. Now you can see, sir, now we have the product of two numbers. This is the first number and this is going to be the second number. The product of two number is 0 when either this one is 0. We have discussed this, right? Either this one is
Yeah.
0. So I will say either P should be equals to 0 or this 8C2 times P minus 3 times 8C1 is equals to 0. So obviously, I will not consider this. That's the matter of luck. Why I will not consider this? Because question is saying that p should be greater than 0. But that is second part of the solution. The first part of the solution is you have to find all the roots. Which one should be accepted? Which one should not be accepted? That is the second part of the solution. I'm getting my point. So from here, from the second part, we can write the p value directly now. So p should be equals to, when you shift this to the other hand side, 3 times 8c1 upon 8c2. So this will be 3 times 8c1 is 8. Everyone knows, right? We have already discussed 8c1 and c1 is, and 8c2. You have to just find the 8c2 only. See here, 8c2 you have calculated. Yeah, 28. So I need just this calculation, and this we can do manually also without calculator. So if you write this 28 here, so now 2 4 ja 14, 2 2 ja 2 7 ja. So we are getting 6 over 7. Please see, and I think you are also getting 6 over 7. Yeah, correct. So can you visualize, can you realize how much simply we can solve this without using the calculator if we take the proper, approach. Have you understood it?
Yeah. So I thought the answer will be 0.
No, no, answer will be not zero. Why answer will be zero? Your question is saying, see, you have to take the p should be greater than zero. Are you getting my point?
Oh, okay. Yeah.
So now that's what I'm saying. I'm repeating this again. That is the second part of the solution. Right now, you have to solve this equation, right? So you have to find all the possible values of p. Later on, we discuss that, okay, which ones should be accepted, which ones should not be accepted. See, what's the problem happen with this approach? This time you are getting correct answer and you are thinking that, okay, this is a very good step. We have just cancel it out and we are getting everything. Okay, fine. But sometime when it plays a critical role in deciding your answer, then at that time you will miss your answer, isn't it? This question
Yeah.
is okay. And suppose if I not explain this with this concept, so what message will goes to your mind? Okay, this is the correct step, this is the correct method, everything is okay. I have done so many times. It will never give me any problem. And sometime it will be important. At that time you will lose your marks. So why not we should take a proper universal step? So universal step is find, suppose you are solving this equation. So you have to find all possible roots. The second stage comes, that is you have to verify, you have to select your favorable solution. Are you getting my point?
Yeah.
Okay. These are the very, very conceptual question I'm telling you for your further maths, right? So question number 12. See, calculator is not allowed now. Please try this.
Oh,
In the expansion of this, the coefficient of the term in x square is 40n. This time your n is variable. This is the first question in which n is your variable. Otherwise, in all of your previous question, n was known. So this is the first new, we can say this is a new type in which n is your unknown. Would you like to try this?
Yeah.
Please try.
Coefficient of x squared. What does z mean again?
It's integers or g plus means positive integers. It means from
Oh,
1, 2, 3 like this. 0 is neither positive nor negative. So you should write it somewhere again and again. Every time you write it, z is what? Integers.
positive integers.
No, no, that is z plus. Z plus is
Oh,
positive integers. Write it every time, everywhere, whenever you should write till that time until your mind gets remembered that okay, z plus is this, z is this. Otherwise, you keep writing every time whenever you encounter this.
okay. 40.
Right? Okay, please say. Would you like to discuss?
I think I can do this.
Mhm.
This is
Yes. Would you like to discuss?
I got the general term and I
Mhm.
got
Okay,
what
okay, no
R
problem,
is.
no problem. Take your time. Take your time. It's okay, fine. I'm just asking that we have to save the time also. So if you are struggling with the question, so we can discuss. Otherwise, if you are doing something, take your time. No problem.
Okay, fine. Okay.
Mhm. Would you like to discuss?
uh, yeah.
What's the problem you are facing?
So basically, uh, I got R in terms of N,
Mm-hmm.
and then for the NCR, I got, but I don't know what to do with the C. Like, how do you like?
Okay, okay. Wait, wait. Yeah, no problem. I have already indicated that this is the first time we are solving for n, isn't it?
So we do
Okay.
the opposite way, right?
Let us see what we can do. Okay. So we have in the expansion of this the coefficient of x square. So we have the binomial expression as 2x plus 1 raised to power n, and the coefficient of x square is 40n. So we should write TR plus 1. So TR plus 1 should be equals to NCR to x raised to power n minus r, and this 1 raised to power r, isn't it?
Yeah.
Correct. So I will
Can
modify
remove
it a little bit. So NCR, it should be 2 raised to power n minus r, x raised to power n minus r, and 1 is same thing, 1 raised to power
yeah.
r, anything will be 1. So I will not write it again to look my question solution simpler, right? Simple. Okay. So I will not writing this 1 raised to power once again. So, okay. So now we are looking for that term whose x power is 2. It means we have to equate this n minus r should be equals to 2, right? So we are solving for n, right? We are solving for n, right? So R is not required here. So what should be R? R should be equals to n minus 2, isn't it? Please see.
Yes.
Correct. So my coefficient will be this term, isn't it? The coefficient. So if I write coefficient of x squared, it should be equals to NCR 2 raised to power n minus r. If you substitute this r value, if I substitute this r value everywhere in this expression, obviously the x term will have x raised to power 2, and rest all becomes the coefficient of x square. So now I'm substituting this NCR in place of r, but I should put n minus 2. Why I'm doing this, or how I have thought this that I should do this? This is the most important thing. how I get
Yeah,
that I have to replace this and this way, this and this way. So you
yeah,
have to think that you have to solve for n, isn't it? So it means I need a equation in which only n should be present. It means one equation, one unknown. And that unknown should be only n. See, we have given that my coefficient is 40n. This is already in terms of n. Anyhow, I have to write my term in terms of n only. Then when I will
yeah.
equate
I
it to
get
the
that.
40n, then I will have only one variable that will be the n. So that's why I thought that I have to replace this r everywhere in terms of n. And for that relation, we have this result that n minus r should be equals to 2. So just substitute the r value everywhere in terms of n, so it will be 2 raised to power n minus. In place of r, I will write n minus 2, minus n plus 2, isn't it? See, when you put r value n minus 2, so minus n plus 2. And it should be n c n minus 2, and this is 2 raised to power n and cancel out 2. Now, according to
Yeah,
question, we have given that n c n minus 2 times 2 raised to power 2, that is a 4, we can write, should be equals to what? 40n. Now,
40.
see,
Yes.
we have one equation and one unknown. So now we should be relaxed now. It can be
But what do you
solved.
do with the C?
I'm solving. I'm solving. See, so for that, we have discussed what is the expression for NCR. Have you remembered the expression for NCR?
N,
The general expression for NCR. We have discussed the general expression for NCR.
N factorial,
Yeah, tell me factorial N,
N factorial over
factorial N upon factorial R upon factorial N
or
minus R.
factorial
Have you
N
understood?
minus.
We have discussed this,
Yeah,
we have applied this many times in our general expression. So we should do the same thing on this end, C. So I think your question solved, your doubt solved, what we should do for C. So you should
I
expand
got.
this C. So you will write this factorial N upon factorial R, right, upon factorial n minus r. So n minus n plus 2. And this times 4 is equals to 40n. So this 4 can we cancel out this 10 times. Now how I can solve this? So let me write it factorial n upon factorial n minus 2. This can be simplified as factorial 2 is equals to 10 times of n, isn't it? This factorial 2 is 2 only, so you can shift this to the other hand side. So this becomes, and now how I can solve these things, I have already explained. You have to expand the higher factorial in terms of lower factorial. So I will expand this factorial n as n into n minus 1, and rest all it will be n minus 2 upon factorial n minus 2 should be equals to
Okay.
20 times n, isn't it? Have you understood it now?
Yeah. Now
This
they
n minus 2,
cancel.
n minus 2 cancel out. So now again, there are two options. There are two options. Please see. N into n minus 1 is equals to 20n. There are two options. One of the students can
Bring
cancel.
20 N
Yeah.
to the other side.
See, it can be solved in this way. N into n minus 1 is equals to 20n. One student can cancel out this n, and then he will say that n minus 1 is equals to 20, and then n is equals to 21, isn't it? Its answer is correct. No problem. No problem. But again, I can give you a situation that, okay, if you put n is equals to 0, see, if you put n is equals to 0, 0 into something, 0, 0 into something, 0. So 0 should be your answer for this solving, this equation solving, as per this equation solving, 0 should be my answer. But this is not coming in your calculation. That's the problem. It's another matter that n cannot be 0 here. You know why? If your n becomes 0, you will not have the coefficient of what we are solving x square. If you have n is equals to 0, it will have only one term. There is no possibility for x square term. Are you getting my point? So that is the meaningless. That's the second stage of the explanation. But so I will not recommend this right now.
Yeah.
Because if I recommend
So
this
you would
one,
do.
yeah, if I recommend this one right now, When it becomes a critical step at that time, what I will say to you, no, no, this is correct, this is incorrect. So every time you have to follow the correct rule. So I will do in this manner. So n into n minus 1 minus 20n should be equals to 0. N should be taken as a common. So n minus 1 minus 20 should be equals to 0. So from here, this
We have to.
gives you a good impression on your examiner also. Suppose someone has done this one. So okay, no problem. He may get marks. But suppose someone has done this way. So this will give you a good impression on your examiner. Then you have to explain that n should not be equals to 0 and should not be 0. You may explain it also. Why not 0? Because it will have only one term and it will be equals to 1. Something raised to power 0 is only 1. So I will not consider this one. Are you getting my point? So
Yeah.
with this proper explanation, you have to confirm that, okay, we are bounded to take n is equals to 21 only. So this gives you a good impression on your examiner, and it will work positive on some other question in which somewhere you are lagging or somewhere you are doing some silly mistakes. So it may protect you at that point. Are you getting my point? So yes, any doubt, any question, any cross question?
So we have 12, we have 12, 13, 14 left, right?
12 we have done, right? N is equals to 21. Done? N is equals to 21. So 13 and 14. See, I want to make a okay. So you have to do this question number 13 and 14, right? I will suggest we can make a WhatsApp group, right, with your parents also, so that everyone should be familiar what you are doing. You are not doing your homework. Everyone should know.
Yeah.
Is it okay?
But
I
the
will.
link is not opening on my laptop.
Which link?
It says you have to sign in, but my sign in doesn't work.
Why not? Make an account. What's the problem?
It's showing that I'm not allowed to access this.
Wait, wait. Let me share you once again.
I'll show you a WhatsApp picture.
No, no problem. No problem. I know this. I know this. Wait. Let me give you the new link. It may be. You have the this account. This OneNote
Yeah, I
account.
have a Microsoft. You're also doing NEET classes?
Yeah. I take science, maths, chemistry, all things for international, national, every level. IIT, JEE.
What is J NEET is very hard, right?
No, no.
JE.
NEET is, see, in terms of difficulty level, you may check your WhatsApp. In terms of difficulty level, J is little bit more difficult because it's involved maths and physics deeply correlated. NEET is highly competitive. Are you getting my point? Things is simple, but due to high competition, it becomes difficult.
NEET for biology, right?
Yeah, NEET for biology, that for medical. But physics and chemistry is common to both.
Yeah,
So
now it's working. Now it's working.
okay. So are you getting this homework?
It's lagging. 1 second.
Everything will be synchronized. So I want to give you some other homework also, but no problem. Come with the these two questions first, right? So I want
No, you
that you
can give me other
yeah.
homework now.
Sorry.
You can give me other homework.
Okay. Okay. I I want that you becomes the master of this binomial theorem. That's my only target is. Okay. For this, you have to be supportive also. Do your homework.